Have you ever wondered how drones came into existence? These unmanned aerial vehicles, which we now see buzzing in our skies, have a rich history that's as fascinating as the technology itself. The story of drones begins in the early 20th century, during the heat of World War I. The concept of an unmanned aerial vehicle was then born out of the necessity to infiltrate enemy lines without risking human lives. These early drones were rudimentary in design, far from the sleek, nimble flyers we see today. However, they laid the foundation for what was to come. The next significant leap in drone technology came during World War II, with the creation of radio-controlled drones. These machines were used primarily for training anti-aircraft crews, providing a moving target for practice. As the 20th century progressed, so did drone technology. The Vietnam War saw the use of drones for reconnaissance missions, gathering invaluable intelligence from the skies. Around the same period, the term drone was coined, deriving from the Queen Bee target drones used by the British Royal Navy. The transformation of drones from military tools to commercial and recreational devices began in the early 21st century. With the advent of smaller, more powerful technology, drones became accessible to the general public. They evolved from being exclusively military hardware to tools used in filmmaking, agriculture, delivery services, and even as toys. Today, drones are more than just flying gadgets. They're multifunctional devices that are reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we live our lives. From capturing breathtaking aerial footage to delivering packages to our doorsteps, drones have indeed come a long way in a relatively short time. The design of drones has also seen a significant evolution. From large, cumbersome machines to compact, foldable designs that fit in the palm of your hand, the transformation is nothing short of remarkable. The drones of today are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Indeed, drones have come a long way from being mere military tools to becoming an integral part of our daily lives. The journey of drones, from their inception to their current state, is a fascinating tale of innovation, adaptation, and evolution. Today, drones are far more than just gadgets for tech enthusiasts. They've evolved into versatile tools, carving out a place for themselves in various industries, and revolutionizing the way we do things. Let's start with agriculture, where drones are making waves. They've become farmers' eyes in the sky, optimizing crop monitoring by providing precise, real-time information about crop health, irrigation needs, and potential pest issues. This not only boosts productivity, but also aids in sustainable farming practices. In the realm of filmmaking, drones have transformed the way we capture the world. They've unlocked new possibilities for cinematographers, allowing them to achieve stunning aerial shots and sweeping panoramas that were once only possible with expensive helicopter shoots. Moving on to delivery services, drones have brought a whole new meaning to speed and efficiency. Whether it's a pizza for dinner, a package from an online store, or crucial medical supplies, drones are all set to make swift deliveries right to your doorstep, bypassing ground traffic and reducing carbon emissions. They're also making a significant impact in search and rescue missions. In situations where every second counts, drones can quickly scan large areas, reach inaccessible locations, and provide essential data to help locate lost or stranded individuals. And the list doesn't stop there. Drones are being used for infrastructure inspection, wildlife monitoring, and even in entertainment as part of breathtaking light shows. They're becoming an integral part of our lives, helping us work smarter, safer, and more efficiently. So, if you thought drones were just about aerial photography or racing, think again. They're reshaping the world around us, bringing about a revolution in how we approach tasks and solve problems. From optimizing crop monitoring to enhancing delivery services, drones are reshaping industries. And this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, who knows what new applications we'll see in the next few years? The sky's the limit in the world of drones. With the rise of AI and camera technologies, drones have taken surveillance and security to new heights. These unmanned marvels, equipped with cutting-edge optics and intelligent systems, have become an essential tool in maintaining public safety. From monitoring crowded events to patrolling vast expanses, Drones offer a bird's-eye view that's hard to match. Their ability to swiftly cover large areas makes them ideal for border security and law enforcement agencies. They can be deployed to track suspicious activity, gather evidence, or even assist in high-risk operations, reducing the risk to personnel. Moreover, in private security, drones are increasingly being used to safeguard commercial properties and residential areas, providing real-time surveillance that deters potential threats. This new era of security also extends to disaster management. Drones can access areas that are too hazardous for humans, assisting in search and rescue operations and providing crucial information to response teams. Drones have indeed become a game-changer in surveillance and security. Even the environmental sector is not left untouched by the drone revolution. These flying marvels are transforming the way we study and interact with our natural world. In the realm of ecological research, drones are revolutionizing data collection. They can reach remote locations, collect samples, and deliver real-time data in a way that was previously unimaginable. Moreover, drones offer a non-intrusive method for monitoring wildlife populations. From tracking migratory patterns of birds to observing behavior of endangered species, drones are providing invaluable insights while minimizing human interference. In the battle against climate change, drones are our eyes in the sky, assessing environmental changes in inaccessible areas. They can monitor deforestation, glacier melting, or coral bleaching events, providing crucial information for scientists and conservationists. In essence, drones are not just a technological advancement, they are powerful tools for preserving our planet. They are playing a crucial role in providing data for conservation efforts. The future of drones promises a sky full of possibilities. As we look towards the horizon, the drone technology landscape is buzzing with innovation and potential that goes beyond our current comprehension. Imagine a world where drone swarms, groups of drones operating in perfect harmony, become a common sight. These swarms could perform tasks with unparalleled efficiency, from intricate construction projects to coordinated search and rescue missions. Picture a swarm of drones planting an entire forest, or a team of drones working together to quickly locate lost hikers in the wilderness. The possibilities are truly astounding. But the future of drones isn't just about the machines themselves. It's about how they'll integrate into our world. One of the most anticipated trends in drone technology is their integration into smart city infrastructure. Drones could become the eyes and ears of our cities, monitoring traffic, analyzing air quality, assisting in law enforcement, and even delivering your morning coffee. Moreover, as AI technology continues to evolve, drones are set to become even more autonomous and efficient. They'll be able to make intelligent decisions, navigate complex environments, and adapt to unexpected situations. Imagine a drone that can autonomously map out the fastest route for delivery, or a drone that can identify and report environmental hazards in real time. The future also holds the promise of drones transforming the way we travel. Personal drones or drone taxis, capable of carrying passengers, could revolutionize urban mobility, making traffic congestion a thing of the past. However, with these exciting advancements, we must also consider the ethical implications. As drones become more prevalent, issues of privacy, safety, and regulation will need to be addressed. A balance between innovation and regulation will be crucial to ensure the responsible use of this technology. With limitless potential, the future surely holds exciting times for drone technology. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. With great innovation comes great responsibility. As drones become more prevalent, we must confront the challenges that come with them. One such challenge is airspace regulation. As drones share the sky with other aircraft, we need to establish clear rules of the sky to prevent collisions and maintain safety. Privacy is another significant concern. Drones equipped with cameras can collect data from high above, potentially infringing on personal privacy. It's crucial to strike a balance between the benefits of drone technology and the need to respect individual privacy. We must also consider the environmental impact. While drones can aid in environmental monitoring, their proliferation could potentially disrupt wildlife or contribute to noise pollution. Moreover, cybersecurity remains a critical issue. With drones becoming smarter and more connected, they become potential targets for cyber attacks. Addressing these challenges is crucial to harness the full potential of drones in our evolving world. As we conclude our exploration of the drones revolution, it's clear that these flying marvels are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From their humble beginnings to their current applications in agriculture, filmmaking, delivery services, and emergency response, drones have proven to be versatile and transformative tools. Their role in surveillance and security continues to evolve, with advancements in AI and camera technologies providing new ways to ensure public safety. In the environmental sector, drones are becoming invaluable tools for research, wildlife monitoring, and assessing environmental changes. The future holds even more exciting possibilities with drone swarms and smart city integration on the horizon. Yet, as we embrace this innovative technology, we must remember to address challenges such as airspace regulations and privacy concerns. The future promises an era where drones seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, offering solutions to challenges we've yet to imagine.